Hello lovely people, in this video I'm showing you how to make a popular breakfast menu in Johor called Kuah Lodeh, commonly served with rice cake and hard-boiled egg. Let's get right into the video. Okay, now first ingredient is 2 tablespoons of dried shrimp, which has to be soaked in water for 5 minutes. Okay, next, into the blender, you will need 3 red onion that has been cut in half and 2 cloves of garlic and your dried shrimp that has been soaked in water, and blend it together. To make it easier to blend, please add 2 tablespoons of water. Next, 50 grams of glass noodle and 50 grams of bean curd skin soaked in water for about 10 minutes or until soft. Then you will need 1 piece of firm tofu cut into thin strips, and you will need 2 pieces of tempeh also cut into thin strips so it will be easier to eat. Half a carrot, thinly sliced, two red chili, also thinly sliced, (100 grams) of cabbage. If you miss any of the ingredients, you can read it in the description down below. Five sticks of green beans, and finally 1 eggplant. Now we're done with the chopping and we can start cooking. Now, before we start cooking, smash 1 stalk of lemongrass to release the aroma. Turn on the gas to medium high and put about half a cup of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot enough, you can start cooking your tempeh until it is golden brown. Now that the tempeh is golden brown, you can remove it from the oil and start cooking your firm tofu until it is golden brown. Once that is done, remove it from the hot oil and we can begin cooking the kuah lodeh. First, add a splash of cooking oil on a medium-high heat. Infuse the oil with the lemongrass that you already smashed. You know what else you should smash? The like button. And please subscribe because we will be posting every Friday at 6 p.m. Next, put in your blended ingredients. Now, pour in 2 liters of water and bring it up to a boil. Once the water has come up to a boil, you can begin putting in your vegetable ingredients, your eggplants, green beans, carrots, cabbage, and red chili. Next, you can begin to put in your glass noodle and bean curd skin together with your fried tempeh and fried tofu. Enough of me talking, now just roll the clip of the remaining ingredients.